Hi, I'm Khoo Soo-yong, CEO of International Property Advisor. Over the past 5 years, we have been bringing many clients to invest in the Japan real estate market. And the pull factors that have brought my clients into Japan have in fact become even more attractive as we speak today. Let me give you a few reasons why there are more client inquiries that we are receiving now. Technology investments has been a big driver. The government has strongly encouraged new technology investments from foreign companies as well as from Japanese companies, and Japan has all along been a very large magnet for high-tech companies. Together with the Olympic Games, the government has also decided to run a World Robot Summit just prior to the 2020 Olympics. Now, the Olympic Games itself is a huge event for tourism as well as international business activities. Talking about tourism, over the last 6 years, tourism growth has been compounding at double-digit growth per year, rising from about 6 million to 28.7 million between the years 2011 and 2017. That's a growth of 22 million foreign visitor arrivals over a 6-year period. That has driven a lot of jobs growth and employment growth. So with the tourism growth, everybody is now expecting the year 2020 to be a very big year for Japan with a target of about 40 million visitors. So last year we hit a high of more than 28 million visitors. This year we are expecting foreign visitor growth to exceed 30 million, and then in the next 2 years there'll be another additional 10 million growth. Now, that has also loaded a lot of demand for Japanese hotels. So the hotel service apartment sector has been doing very well, with demand also from foreign investors buying into hotel and service apartment assets. Beyond the 2020 Olympics, Japan still has a few more tricks up its sleeve because the cabinet has approved of up to 5 casino licenses to be awarded to various locations in Japan. We may look forward to, for example, first integrated resort casino to be available in Osaka or maybe in Yokohama near to Tokyo after the 2020 Olympics. Subsequently, they will also be hosting the Asian Games in 2026. So Japan is not a one-trick pony. Beyond the Olympic Games, there's still a lot of development and real estate demand that we can look forward to. Now, the government knows that they do not have sufficient people to fill the 1 million jobs, and therefore they have been opening doors to foreign workers as well as to students. Student population has risen to a high of close to 300,000 now, and there are more than 30 universities across various locations in Japan that are offering degree programs fully taught in English, from bachelor's to master as well as to PhD level programs. Now, these students today would in future be working in Japan to fill up a part of the 1 million jobs that's on offer. In fact, jobs growth has been so strong that there are more job vacancies today than there were prior to the Lehman crisis, when Tokyo was actually booming with hedge funds, investment managers, as well as banking businesses. In terms of the unemployment rate, it has also dropped to well below prior to what Lehman crisis saw. Today, unemployment is around 2 and 2.5%, and that's the lowest on record. The foreigner population in Japan has hit a record high last year at 2.56 million, and that is continuing to grow. In fact, with the open door policy now, foreign talent that is working in Japan for at least a year are eligible now to become permanent residents. With that growth in population, rentals have gone up, in fact, across the board, not just in residential real estate, but office, retail real estate as well. Japan continues to be the developed nation amongst all developed nations to provide the highest yield of about 5% per annum across the country, across all real estate sectors. I believe that investors who take action today will be able to reap significant rewards within the next 10 to 15 years.